Hello, hi, good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to create a note block schedule in Revit. First of all, you need to learn what is note block. So let's go to view. Under schedule, you can find a note block. This is a type of schedule which can schedule generic annotation family in Revit. By scheduling generic annotation family, you can define certain notes. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, let us create a family. If I go to annotate, if I take a symbol from the type selector, I can select the family. Here I don't have the particular family, so I'm going to create one. Let's go to File, New, Generic Annotation. So here I have to select metric annotation template. Let's open. Here you can see here, change family category to set appropriate annotation type. Insertion point is set intersection of reference plane. Delete this note before using delete. And ensure the family category, it is generic annotation. And we can keep the text as readable. And it's going to be shared parameter. No, I don't have to make it as shared parameter, no problem. Let's say okay. Now I'm going to create a label. So for creating a label, I need to create the parameter. So I'm going to new parameter. Let's call it as number. And it's going to be instance parameter, common discipline, text, and group this parameter under other. Okay. Now I have number parameter and say okay. So now this number parameter going to be just a double digit number. So I'm giving a sample value and it's a 3 text. Okay, so and I need a circle around the number. I need a circle around the number. All right, now I have the number. Now I just have to add a description parameter. Let's go to family and type. I have number. Let's create another parameter, call it as description. Keep it as instance property and family parameter. And it's going to be text and group under other. Okay, and say okay and okay. Now save this family. I'm going to save this in desktop. Let's say it is note block family. You can give any name. I'm going to give note block any YY. Note block YY. This is a family name. Save, load into project and close. Now you can see I can place the family. So before I place the family, let me give you a story. Let's say I have some number of rooms. Okay, so I'm going to specify the floor type. So I'm going to specify with number. Let's say I'm going to annotate, take the family, note block family, and this room floor type going to be some number. So this is number 1, and this is going to be number 2, and this is going to be number 3. So number one, if I select this tag, I can give a description. Floor type 01 or A. For this one, I can mention it as B. For this one, I can mention it as C. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this view. Okay, so I have duplicated the view. Now you can see the tags are not visible because they are 2D. They are not 3D. Okay, now I'm going to place level 0. So here I have the tag number 1, 2, 3. So now if I go to view, schedule, note block, I can select the family name, note block YY, that's our family name, and the note block name, this is schedule name. You can give any name. You can give any name, and you can specify number and description, and then say okay. And this schedule going to change based on the sheet. So I'm going to filter this schedule, filter by sheet. Okay, now I can place the schedule in the sheet. Okay, so this is coming with the name. So let's change the name to floor type. Floor type. It's not changing. Okay, it's just change the name. After that, just drag and drop, because this will be updated based on the sheet. Okay, so now in this sheet I have number 1, 2, 3, and for the same number I'm writing a table 1, 2, 3 floor type ABC. Okay, so if I go to another sheet and if I place the view here, this view doesn't have anything. I can place the same schedule here. Okay, because same schedule can be placed in multiple sheet. So here you can see nothing is visible here, but in case if I add the symbol, select a symbol, and if I add a symbol, here you can see once I add the symbol, the in the sheet also it is added, and you can see here I can directly enter a number. Once I enter the number, you can read here. Okay, and you see here 02 and 03. So you can add this family inside the view or on the sheet, no problem. And when you select the tag, you can give any description. You can add any description, no problem. And that value will be scheduled. So this is called note block. So note block is based on sheet. Okay, and you don't have to worry about the value, but you have to check, because these are manual work. You are placing a symbol tag and you are giving some value, or you're describing what it is. Okay, so this is called a note block. Okay, you have to enable the filter by sheet, and then based on the sheet it will be scheduled. Okay, so that's all about note block. In case if you're having any doubt, then please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.